Once again, students, we continue with rounding numbers to the nearest thousands. And so we want to start, and with no delay, remember you can subscribe. Here, we will continue by placing some numbers. We have 5, 3, 6, 2. So we have 5,362, and we want to round that to the nearest thousands. So today, we're rounding the number to the nearest thousands. And the rule is, we want to find the number in the thousands place. So let's go with ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we have placed them in the order that they're supposed to go. So we're rounding to the nearest thousand, so we locate the number in the thousands place, which is 5. And the rule says that when rounding a number to the nearest thousands, you look at the number before it, which is 3. And so 3 is in the hundreds place. And remember, the rule says that the number before the number that you're rounding, if that number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you will add 1 to the number that you're rounding. But if the number in the hundreds place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, will remain the same because the number in the hundreds place is 3. And you will just make all the other numbers 0, 0, 0. So rounding 5,362 to the nearest thousand is equal to 5,000. Let's do another example. Say we have 6,558, and we want to round 6,558 to the nearest thousands. So we want to label each one, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So let's locate the number that we're rounding. We're rounding to the nearest thousand. So 6 is in the thousands place. And the rule says that when you round a number to the nearest thousand, you look at the number in the hundreds place. And if the number in the hundreds place is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you will add 1 to the number in the thousands place because that's the number you're rounding. Or if it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the number in the thousands place will remain the same. But in this case, the number in the thousands place is 6 that we're rounding, and we look at the hundreds place, and because this is 5, we'll add 1 to the number in the thousands place. And so the 6, add 1 to that, it becomes 7, and the other 3 numbers just become 0. So 6,558 round to the nearest thousand is equal to 7,000. So 7,000 is our answer. Let's do one more example. Let's say we have 8, 3, 9, 2, 1. Let's label our numbers: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. And we want to round 83,921 to the nearest thousands. So we want to locate the number that we're rounding, and this is 3 because the 3 is in the thousands place, and we're rounding to the nearest thousands. 8 is in the 10,000s place, so we just bring that down. It will be a part of our answer, but we don't need it to round our number. So the rule says that when we round the number to the nearest thousands, you look at the number in the hundreds place, and if that number is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you're going to add 1 to the number in the thousands place. But if that number in the hundreds place is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, the number in the thousands place will remain the same. But in this case, the number in the hundreds place is 9, so we're going to add 1 to the number in the thousands place. So the 3 becomes 4, and the other numbers become 0. So 83,921 round to the nearest thousands become 84,000. You can always go back to view the video to remember the step. Remember, math is practice. So practice, practice, practice. Subscribe for more videos.